Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kelsey and today I'm going to be opening my Popsugar box. This has always been my favorite box and it used to come once a month and I was getting kind of spoiled, but then they switched to the popular quarterly subscription just like FabFitFun. So now this is fall 2018. And they have the best stuff in this box. I have not opened this yet, so, you know, forgive me if I kind of linger over things and touch a little too much. So, they always put in the little booklet, which kind of tells you what's in the box and all of that. So, I like to see the things before I go through this and kind of learn about them. Mostly because I can't wait to get in the box. So, first thing we have, and I gotta take, like, I literally haven't opened this yet, so let me take this out of the plastic. Oh my gosh, that's soft. I think this is, help if I found it in the book first, wouldn't it? So this is that scarf. It is amazingly soft. Like, it feels, I just want to wrap up in it and never take it off. It has this really awesome, like, geometric print, kind of muted folly colors, nothing too bright, but look how awesome that is. Like, that's going to match everything. I really want to wrap it around myself right now because I'm kind of cold. But I will resist so I can show you guys the rest of this box. The next thing I'm pulling out, let's see, it's got to be, I'm going to guess jewelry. I think I'm right. Oh, look at this cuff. Do you guys love cuff bracelets? I wear them all the time. If I can get it out of the packaging. There we go. It's this really shiny gold that is beautiful. I'm gonna put it on right now. Look at that. And you could wear it like that, or you could turn it and have it like this. That is really pretty. Don't mind my other bracelet in there. I got this one. If you can see, it's a little tooth. I don't know if you can tell. I got that out of another box. I have posted the video where I opened that in a box, but that's beside the point. Look how gorgeous that is. How shiny. Okay, now on to the next stuff. This is Hum Killer Nail Vitamins. I think this is one of the extras that were in the box this time. Let me double check before I say that because I don't want to, you know, say that and then be wrong. So, I lied. It's not. Okay, so, Hum Killer Nails. Supports longer, stronger nails and hair. 30 vegetarian and vegan capsules. I just ran out of vitamins, so that is perfect timing. The next thing in this box is Tarte. Everybody loves Tarte. So Tarte Skincare. Tight and Bright Clay Multi-Mask. Wow, this is much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Like, look how big that is. Look, ooh, and that's gorgeous. It looks just like the packaging. So this is bigger than I thought it would be. There are two sides, so I'm sure there's two different types of mask you can use. Yes. So one side is a clay mask and to tighten pores, and the other side is a gel mask to brighten skin. So that would be why it's called the Tight and Bright mask. I love that. That is so pretty. Even if you don't use it for yourself, like, if you gave that to somebody, look how gorgeous this and the packaging is. Like, that's a gift right there, even if you don't use it. And next is lipstick. As you can tell, I'm a lipstick lover. So let me see if I can open this. This is by Lipstick Queen. I have lipstick from them. I can't remember if it was Popsugar or FabFitFun. but it was one of the color changing ones. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's more of like a really pink color. So this, if I can get it out of packaging, this is mauve. Oh, look how gorgeous. That is gonna be so pretty. Imagine this with that scarf. Here, let me, like, look how pretty that color is. Like, it's so nice. I'm excited to wear this. I really am. Like I said, this has been my favorite box since forever, and it's still proving to be that way right now. And then this, sorry for all the plastic I have to take off. Like, not kidding when I tell you I, am just now opening this. Have you guys seen these before? These are the little pockets you stick to the back of your phone, and like you can put your cards and stuff in it. If you're anything like me, you take your stuff out with you at night, like when you're out, and I always have my phone, and then I like put my wristlet or my phone down, and I'm notorious for leaving it and walking away. Like, I almost need a babysitter just for my stuff. So this will help try and keep everything in one spot, which is what I need. I love the gold. Like, I think there's a gold theme in this box. Like, everything seems very gold and beautiful. What is this? Okay, let me figure out what this is before I start talking about it. I think I saw a spoiler. Okay, yes, that is what this is. This is a leather marbled tray, or valet tray, my bad. It is by Tribe Alive. So that is why I did not realize what it was, because it comes flat. And once I get this plastic off, do you guys love the smell of leather? Because I do. Oh, and it smells amazing. Like, that's, I don't know, probably, people are probably gonna be upset that I said that, but I love the smell of leather. Like, you can, I don't know. Okay, so you pinch the corners and button them. That is much bigger than the picture looks. Like, that is gonna hold a lot of just like random stuff. I'm sure I need to bend this for it to stay, but it's gonna hold just, all I need is one more spot to put my stuff. Like, look how cute that is. I love the marble-esque of it. It's just really pretty. And it's soft. Feels really nice to the touch. Okay, on to the next thing. This, once again, we got the gold theme going on. Look how cute that is. You know, hanger, accessory hanger for the scarf that you just got, or you could hang necklaces or sunglasses from here. I'm probably gonna put it in my closet and put my scarves and just like odds and ends through there, because right now I'm really bad. I have them like thrown up. There's like the shelf above my closet. I have like all my scarves kind of tossed up there. So this would be a much better way to have them and display them. So I'm actually going to be able to see them and wear them now. Well, I can't say now that it's cooling off because it's the end of September, and I want to say here in Illinois it's like 95 degrees today. So it definitely does not feel like fall. Okay, and there is more in here. Wow, okay. This, oh, awesome. You can never have too many sunglasses. Never, never, never. But, and once again, we're keeping with the gold theme. Keeping with the gold. Look at that coral. Ah, gorgeous. Like, look how pretty those are. Like, I feel like I'm ready to go out and be the star of something. My own day, I guess. Be the star of my own day, my own life, like usual. Okay, and then makeup remover wipes. Every girl needs makeup remover wipes. And these are by Bliss. They have chamomile in them. They're oil-free makeup melt makeup remover wipes. So that is a good size package. Like, it's not one of those little sample packs where they give you like 3. Oop. I'm dropping things. This is actually gonna last, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna use it probably to take that lipstick off my wrist here in a minute. And then this is from Clorox, 5 Fresh Fall Laundry Secrets. So, ooh, what is this? Okay. I should probably open the actual thing here. It smells like lavender. Is that what this is? I don't know what this is. Let me look before I start talking about it. It smells like lavender. That's where this book comes in handy. So you can see exactly. Oh, I meant to tell you, those sunglasses are by Liz Claiborne. So, and they are worth, does it even say? It doesn't even say, but they're exclusive at JCPenney. So if you want a pair and you don't subscribe to this box, you have to go there. Okay, so I was right. So this is a lavender. You add this to your dryer for your clothes to come out smelling like fresh flowers, or keep in your drawer to freshen up your wardrobe, which I wish you guys could smell this through the screen because it's awesome. Like, it smells so good. Or put it behind your pillow for a relaxing scent as you fall asleep. I know a lot of people do like the essential oils, you know, lavender to calm you down and go to sleep, and this is what that smells like. And then this is by Clorox. These are bleach packs. Have you ever seen bleach packs? I've never seen them before. Like, okay, let me see if I can open this without too much difficulty. So this is what they look like. Toss into your wash for 5 minutes. Big boost, make your whites whiter. So this is literally bleach in a pack. I don't know why I've never seen it, but I've never seen that. I still have the old fashioned just pour your bleach in your whites, but this smells like bleach, that's for sure. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to try these out and see if we have like those apartment style washer and dryers right now in this apartment. So I'm interested to see if they work with this. I imagine they would. They have water. So I'll try it out when I do my next load of whites. Okay. And then this just tells you how to use them. And this tells you about the makeup remover wipes. So this box was awesome. I am probably gonna sit here for another 10 minutes and just play and touch and try on everything. But this box, Popsugar is my favorite. I'm not afraid to say that. So I'm gonna put the link to Popsugar under this video, and you guys can go and check it out for yourself. You probably won't get this box because it was the fall box. You'll probably end up getting like, I don't know, they have like special boxes for people that just sign up, and then you'll start getting the quarterly subscription. So the next one will be winter, and I would imagine more scarves and wintry stuff like that. But this did not disappoint. Since it's 95, I'm putting on these sunglasses. I'm not gonna use the scarf yet because I don't need it. Sunglasses and the lipstick, and I'm gonna go head outside. So if you guys have any comments, you wanna know anything else, message below or comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.